Welcome children, this is your mentor Mrs. Mohania. So let's continue with our chapter Log on to Access. Let's quickly recapitulate what we had learned from our previous video. A database contains a specific structure to store data. Database in Access are composed of 4 objects, that is tables, queries, forms and reports. Out of these 4 objects, we have learned that table is the building block of a database and is formed of rows and columns. So today we will understand what is queries. As we know that a database stores a vast amount of data, but queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some condition. As table grows in size, they have hundreds or thousands of records, which makes it impossible for the user to pick out a specific record from the database. So with the help of query, we can get the information that you want. Queries are also used to perform actions such as delete, update, etc. on the data based upon some criteria, that is condition. Let's understand what is forms. Forms are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitate the process of entering data in tables and queries. Forms are used for entering, modifying and viewing the records. Next is reports. Reports are used to display the selected data in a printable format. They collect the summarized data from one or more tables or queries and organize it in a printable form. So let's know some more. If forms are for input purposes, then reports are for output. Reports are useful because they allow you to present components of your database in a easy to read format. Let's understand the advantages of DBMS, that is Database Management System. The first one is easy data retrieval. Here, DBMS provides the user with efficient and reliable methods of data retrieval. Second is reduction in duplication and elimination of data. So here, again, it facilitates the reduction of data duplication and elimination of multiple copies of data at the different locations. Third is saves time and energy. As DBMS increases the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and assessing information. In that way, it helps us in saving the time and energy. Next is sharing data. Here, DBMS facilitates sharing of data among users. And last is data integrity. Now here, DBMS supports the data integrity. How? As it ensures that the stored data follows a customized standard. Now for example, the maximum marks of an examination are set to 100. So here you can have a rules, you can set a rules to make sure that the database accepts the numbers only between 0 to 100. That means if anyone tries to enter the marks above 100, it will show as error. So let's recapitulate what we had learned till now. Queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Forms are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitate the process of entering data in tables and queries. Reports are used to display the selected data in a printable format. So my children, thank you. That's all for today. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe and go digital.